find the value of trigonometric function sine 765 degrees. Okay, so we're asked to find the value of sine 765 degrees. Okay, so what will this value be? Well, we don't know what 765 degrees or what sine 765 degrees is directly. It's not in our standard table, right? So now let's break this number down. We know that a full revolution around this circle is 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. In this particular question, the angle is given in degrees, so we'll work with 360 degrees. Okay, so you know all the functions values resets after it completes a 360 degree rotation, right? So sine 0 degree and sine 360 degree are of the same value, so would be cos 360 and cos 0, right? So let's break down 765 in terms of 360, right? So 765 degrees can be written as 360 degrees plus 360 degrees. So this is 720 plus 45 degrees, right? So now we know that the value of sine 765 would be sine 360 plus 360 plus 3 plus 45 degrees. Okay, so again, like I told you, the value of functions, or in particular the value of trigonometric functions, resets after a 360 degree revolution. So after this the value would be same as sine 0 degree, or from wherever we started, right? So we started from 0, which means sine 765 is sine 765 degrees is in essence equal to sine 45 degrees. Why? Because we know that after every 360 degree revolution, the value of the function will reset to whatever we started with. Okay, so this is equal to what? We just know this value. This is 1 by root 2, and since 45 degrees is in the first quadrant, or if you just look at the rotation, so let's just say 45 degrees is somewhere there, right? So if you go around, if you want to write 765 on this circle, so I go around once, this is 360, next I'll go around again, now I've completed 720, and then I'll go 45 more, so that's 765, which means the value of sine 765 is equal to sine 45. This angle still lies in the first quadrant and the value is positive. Okay, I hope that's clear.